Alright, so I'm almost done. Actually, I have a presentation today and the teacher said you need to wear formal, so that is why I'm dressed up like this. So I just need to wear my shoes and then I'll be on my way. Okay guys, I'm done and I'm already late, so today I'm gonna take a grab. Right now I'm at the campus, so I'm gonna go in the class and do the presentation because I'm already late. Alright, so we're finally done and now we're at the cafeteria. We have to get our lunch and then we're basically free. This was our last class today. And then we have the semester break and we have an exam. So these are my friends. They're sitting right here. Alright, so I'm at the LRT station. My friend was actually going from this way, so he dropped us off. And I'm gonna go to Park Hill. Then some of my friends, they want to go to Plaza Loyat, so I'm gonna join them. So let's go to Park Hill and I need to change. I got changed, so I'm gonna go join my friends because they're waiting for me at the LRT. So let's go. One tip, if you're planning to become an international student, guys, you need to prepare yourselves to have long walks, because if you want to save money, then you are going to be walking too much. Otherwise, if you take Grab and Beam and other things all the time, then you're going to just spend too much. That will not be a budget, right? And if you want more tips on how to save more money, you can check the description. I'll drop a link to my other videos in which how you want to save money, and it will lower your monthly expenses. Also, if you want to check out my room, if you haven't seen it, so I'm going to drop that link as well for the groceries. All the links are going to be in the description. Check out those as well, right? Alright guys, so finally we're at Plaza Loyat and now my friend needs an adapter, so we're going to look for that. And by the way, I'm going to give you a little bit tour of Plaza Loyat. This is basically the biggest technology mall in Malaysia. You can get everything here: laptop, phones, cameras, whatever you need, and their accessories as well. If you want to get them repaired, they have a lot of stuff, shops for repairing. You can get them repaired. If you want to buy new, you can buy new. If you want to buy second hand, like already used mobiles, laptops, you can do that as well. Even if you want to sell, you can sell that as well. So I'm going to show you. They have pre-Ramadan sales right now, so I'm going to show you some laptops, what you students coming in, so you know what you're going to buy. You can check the specs here. It's for 2150. This is the sale offers. This is only for the pre-Ramadan. It's actually nice. 2200, 2150 for a good laptop. This is nice for students, you know. I'm going to show you on ASUS. You can actually pause the video and check the specs if you're interested in anything. This is again HP. Oh, it's basically the same one. 15. This is Lenovo. Check the specs. They're actually good prices. On offer, you can see they're good prices. If you want a gaming laptop, you can get that as well. But I would recommend that at first, if you're living on a budget, you can get this one. Hello. This is the gaming laptop. You can check this. It's from ASUS, and you can check the specs as well. Check this as well. This is actually nice.
350. Okay, 360.
We have all kinds of brands here: Realme, ASUS, Maxis. Maxis is basically the network provider in Malaysia. So you can see Samsung, Huawei, Apple, whatever you want, whatever phone, whatever brand, they have it. Or even there's a Sony store here. I'm gonna give you a look around that as well. They have PS5 and the games as well. See the games, the controller, any accessories you want, VR, and controllers. I guess you can buy used games here as well. They have the gaming headsets. This is for 1300. No? Another one, Acer 2400. This is another one, 3800. You can check the specs, 8 GB. Almost all
Or just
laptops are
take the whole
8 GB,
thing
so
out.
it's not bad actually, not bad. It's good prices. This one is 4400. Right, so Musa wanted to get his adapter and he's gotten his adapter. So now we're gonna go to Paradise Hotel and eat some Pakistani food because I'm really starving right now. So let's go. Okay, we stopped at 7-Eleven to get some drinks. I'm gonna just give you a tour of how the 7-Eleven looks inside. Prices are also nice. Alright, so now we're walking towards, these are my friends, we're walking towards Paradise Hotel so that we can eat. I just bought water. Unfortunately, Paradise was closed. They're doing renovations, so we're going towards Pavilion. My friends went to McDonald's because they want to eat that, but I came to Damascus. I want to eat the shawarma. It's really good. I'm going to show you how to make it. Phone actually died, so I couldn't record any other clips of the show. So that's it for today. Make sure you subscribe my channel and like and share the video as well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.